Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by triaging the folder now. Identify what matters and what can wait. First, sort by size and date to reveal anomalies, then move anything critical into a separate priority folder so you can work safely. Next, run quick checksums, MD5 or SHA-1, on suspect files to detect corruption. Once done, make sure to note mismatches and flag them for repair. This immediate containment prevents accidental overwrites and gives you a clear focus set to repair. You now diagnose root causes and apply repairs. Use file-specific utilities first, image, document, and archive repair tools, because they understand format structure. If needed, open a hex editor for targeted fixes. If checksums fail and repair fails, restore from the latest clean backup or rebuild metadata like timestamps and headers to salvage readable content. Once repaired, batch process similar files to speed work. Make sure to verify each repaired file. You finish by verifying and finalizing changes. Run a full integrity scan and any automated tests that exercise the content. Replace originals only after every file passes verification, and keep both repaired and original backups in case you need to retry. Then, tidy metadata and restore folder structure to its intended layout. If something goes wrong, check permissions, disk health, and for active file locks. These are common hidden causes of failures, and often explain silent corruption or save errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.